So do you also want to instantly notify your team whenever you receive a new lead from TikTok? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can instantly notify your team whenever you receive a new lead from TikTok. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can notify your team 100 of time for free for 100 new leads, and yes, this is true. Like this, you can try Pabbly Connect, and once you try Pabbly Connect, and if you like Pabbly Connect, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, the discount coupon code is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code in order to get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. So this discount coupon code is just for you. And yes, over here is 100% no risk because we offer 30 days money back guarantee. So if you don't like Pabbly Connect, you can definitely use this feature too. Alright, so now I'll suggest you first of all try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, you can definitely use this discount coupon code in order to get a heavy discount and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And also we have this policy, don't forget. So now we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, which is the most important window for automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for TikTok lead generation, and then for the event we have to select it as new lead and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between TikTok and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with TikTok lead generation. Once you click on this connect with TikTok lead generation, first of all Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your TikTok account, and once you log in your TikTok account, Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So make sure that your TikTok account is logged in, and then you just have to click on this confirm. Once you click on this confirm, your TikTok account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, select the advertiser ID and the form ID. So I want to create this automation for this form, which is lead gen form. So I've selected the same, and now I'm just going to click on the save and send test request, but keep in mind that the response format should be the advanced one. Now click on this save and send test request. Once you click on this save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. And now in order to capture this webhook response, you have two options. The first option is you have to wait until you receive a real lead in real time, and the second option is, like, if you do not have a real lead coming in real time, you can generate a test lead yourself. And in order to generate a test lead, capture the response in the TikTok lead generation app, you will have to make the use of create test lead action in the next step. For that, you can read the documentation right over here and learn how to generate the test lead. As you can see over here, we have attached the video. It is very easy. You can generate your test lead. I have already generated the test lead, so let's capture the response for the same right over here. Now you can see that we have successfully received the response, and over here in the response we have received the name, email and the phone number. Now I'm just going to notify my team on Discord about the same. So let's close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Discord and select it. For the event, select send channel message. If you want to send HTML message, select HTML, otherwise markdown, and click on this connect. Now it is asking for the webhook URL. So for that, open your Discord, go towards the server name, server settings, and now from the left end of the side, go on this integrations and then webhooks, and then you have to click on this new webhook button. Once you click on this new webhook button, a webhook something named like this will be created. You have to just change the name of the webhook if you wish, and then you have to change the channel. Make sure that you select the channel in which you want to send the message. Now copy the webhook URL and click on this save changes, and simply paste the webhook URL in your workflow right over here. Now it is asking me for the message. So over here I want to send the message something like this, which says new lead alert and then the name of the lead. Alright, so I'm just going to simply enter the message, which is new lead alert and the name of the the lead. Now I'm just going to enter the name, email and phone number of the lead, but we are not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. And in order to map the details, first of all you want to learn what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map the details, what you have to do is you have to type slash and then search for the same details like email and map it. Same goes for the phone number. I'm just going to type slash and then search for the phone number and I'm going to map it. Now after mapping all of these details, in the end I want to mention this line which says please reach out to the lead at earliest. Now it is asking me for the bot name and bot icon, so both of this is not required. I'm just going to leave it as blank, and same goes for the text to speech. Now I'm going to click on the save and send test request, and you're going to see we have received the response which says that we have successfully sent the message. And as you can see, when we're going to open our Discord, the message is sent. It is saying new lead alert, name, email, phone and this line. And yes, not only for this lead, now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from TikTok, automatically a message on my Discord channel will be sent something like this. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For a reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. And also, if you want, you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. Don't forget that the discount coupon code is also attached in the description box below. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.